Today, I'll show you how to remove duplicate events from Outlook Calendar using the Excellender web app. You can see that this calendar has many duplicate events, which can happen as a result of faulty syncing or duplicate imports. I'll download this calendar into the Excellender web app by selecting the calendar and clicking Import, which downloads repeat events as single rows. Now we can see the duplicates clearly, and we notice that some of them don't have the exact same notes. Inside the Delete button, I'll select Detect Duplicates. And here you have options that are used to determine which events are to be flagged as duplicates. If I disable the Notes option to ignore differences in the event descriptions, this allows the app to detect our duplicates that have different notes. And by default, the events with more data will be preserved. When you're happy that the events marked for deletion are the correct duplicates, go ahead and click Export to save the changes to Outlook. As always, when editing calendars, it's a good idea to first export a backup in iCal format in case you make mistakes. The deleted events now have strike-through text to indicate that they've been deleted. And sure enough, my calendar now looks much cleaner with 0 duplicates. I'll import the calendar again. And we can see that all the duplicates that didn't have notes have indeed been removed. Please note that you need at least a free trial license to remove duplicates, either via Stripe from Excellender.com or using AppSource. Thank you for watching.